What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a taper video for you guys. So right away, starting off with the haircut, I went in with the trimmers to make my first guideline, and I followed through with my clipper to blend out that bottom line. So what I did was I start off closed and open up the lever little by little to eventually blend up to half or lever open. At this point of his haircut, I'm going in with the one open, and then I'll close it and retouch where I was at. And right after that, I'll back it up with the 1/16 to clean up any faint lines or any dark spots that I want to get rid of. So using the same maneuver I used on the one guard, I'm doing it with the 1.5 and the 2. So I'll go in with the 1.5, close it, and then follow through with the 1 to clean up any faint lines or dark spots. And with that same step, I'll do it with the 2 using the 1.5, and then so on and so on. There you see the 2 open, and then I'll close it, and then you'll see that I follow through with the 1.5 to take care of any dark spots or any faint lines that I want to get rid of. Just like I said before, this is the same maneuver I'm using throughout the whole haircut. Alright, y'all, so that's the cut. I know this video is kind of short, so I'm gonna make another video giving out more details. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, go ahead, hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you guys have any questions or any comments, please go ahead and comment, and I'll make sure to respond, or I'll make a video covering the topic that you guys want me to cover.